what's up? It's Nate and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got another really fun experiment that I think you should go try out. Let's get started. First thing you need is a bowl. I don't know why my mom gave me this very expensive crystal bowl, but anyways, it'll work. Next, you need some milk in the plate. Next, pour some milk in your bowl. Yes, I am from Canada. Milk in a bag. Get it? Okay, so let's just pour the milk in. There it is. Now I'm gonna drop some food coloring. Yes, I'm using the neon again. The neon food coloring is really good because it makes things pop. And the fireworks in a jar one, the one that I did last time, I used the neon food coloring and it really popped. And I thought it looked really cool. And I think it's gonna do the same thing with the milk, the magical milk. That's what it's called. We're gonna next drop some food coloring in the bowl. It's pink. There we go. There we go. And last but not least, oh, it's red. Next, you need some Dawn dish soap and a Q-tip. We're gonna dip the Q-tip in. There it is. That's a lot. Next, we're gonna place the Q-tip with the soap right in the middle. So and watch the magic happen. And there you have it. That is magical milk. Woo! There you have it, guys. Easy peasy magic milk. Go make some magic milk right now because it looks really cool. This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. Look what's behind me. That's what's going to be cooking up next in the next video. So be sure to subscribe and like my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!